If Grammarly is showing an error in Microsoft Word, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens because of a temporary word glitch, a connection issue, or an outdated Grammarly installation. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without losing any of your work. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, close completely and then reopen it. A simple restart can often clear small loading issues that stop Grammarly from working properly. If the error still appears, check your internet connection. Grammarly needs a stable connection to sync and function correctly inside Word, so if your Wi-Fi is weak or disconnected, that may be the cause. Try opening a website or refreshing your browser to confirm that your internet is working normally. If Word and Grammarly still are not cooperating, the next step is to restart your PC. This may sound basic. The restarting your computer can clear background conflicts, refresh system processes, and fix add-in issues that keep Grammarly from loading correctly in Microsoft Word. After your PC restarts, open Word again and test Grammarly one more time. If the error is still there, move on to updates. Make sure Microsoft Word is fully updated, because an older version of Word can sometimes conflict with the Grammarly add-in. Also check that the Grammarly app itself is updated to the latest version. Compatibility problems often happen when one app is newer than the other, so keeping both updated is important. If you are still seeing the error after updating, the best next step is to reinstall Grammarly. First, uninstall Grammarly from your computer completely. Then go to your Grammarly account and download the latest installation file from the official source. Installing a fresh copy can fix corrupted files, broken add-ins, or setup problems that may be causing the error in Word. Once the reinstall is finished, launch Microsoft Word again and check whether Grammarly is working properly. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the issue and get Grammarly running smoothly again. If it does, great, you're all set. And if you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides in the future.